Hi, good morning. So today we are going to see on tutorial on how to apply the texture on the body. Okay, so using the rendering from the last tutorial. Okay, so we are going to apply, for example, carbon fiber texture on the body. So the body now is the main body is body color. Okay, is blue. So how to apply? Okay, so I have this picture of a carbon fiber texture here. Okay, so this is I don't know from the internet. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to drag this layer into here. Okay, so make sure this carbon fiber layer texture is on top of the main body. Okay, so let's say after that we need to adjust the texture to fit with the body. So I'm using the transform selection. You can select, just press Ctrl T and then adjust. Then you can press Enter, set the size. Okay, there you go. Alright, so next is what I'm going to do is right now is uh, the texture is not according to the body that we already did. Okay, so I go to the main body layer and then I just press Ctrl and then click on the this layer, main body layer. So we do the selection. Okay, now we already had the selection. Okay, so we are going to cut the excess of this texture. Okay, so it will follow the shape of the body. So what we're going to do is go to the select and then inverse the selection. Okay, so as you see, okay, we already inverse the selection. All right, so just press delete. Okay, now we already have the texture which already fits with the main body, but the problem is right now, okay, it's just a picture. Okay, like in the original main body we have this kind of texture and also this shading which already show the form of the design. Now what we're going to do is, right, okay, change this layer, okay, the carbon fiber layer, change the blending mode, okay, into soft light. Okay, so either you can use soft light or you can use multiply. But the problem is, okay, you can see the texture already there, and also it's showing the shading and of the rendering. Okay, now the problem is, okay, the color is still blue because our main body is blue. Okay, so we are going to select the main body. Okay, go to the image adjustment, and then we desaturate the color. Right, Control Shift view. Okay, now as you can see, okay, the color is much better. It's blend with the carbon fiber effect. Okay, and also it really represents the texture. Okay, if you see think that you need to adjust, okay, a little bit of the brightness and contrast, okay, you can adjust. Okay, maybe you want to make it more darker, and then try to raise up the contrast. Okay, so you can see, okay, the surface much better. Also, you can do the carbon effect texture. Okay, just brightness and the contrast. Okay, and there you go. Right. So now we have, okay, the carbon fiber effect. So this method is also can use any, okay, texture or picture. Okay, the same way that I did for this car. Alright. So on how to do it. Okay. Uh, okay. So now I have this layer. Okay, which already cropped, and then, okay, the saturated color. Okay. So what I'm going to do is also the same. Okay, I'm going to drag this texture into this particular area. Now, okay, the picture is too big. Use the transform selection. Okay, try to fit within the picture. Okay, if you cannot see through, okay, you can adjust opacity. and then we try. Okay, adjust. Okay, press Control at the end of the corner of the selection, so you can adjust the perspective, so it will follow. Okay, the texture with the picture accordingly. Okay, alright. Now we change to reset the opacity. Now the same method we can use. Okay, so we go to the layer one. Okay, we already did the selection. Okay, just select. Okay, and then go to the inverse. Okay, select inverse. Okay, select the layer and then delete. Right, and then deselect. So this one we try to change to blending mode. We try to multiply, or you can use the soft light. Okay, so done. You can see here, right? There is the carbon fiber texture on this bonnet. Alright, that's all for today. Okay, thank you.